Hi everybody, I'm Christopher. The guy behind the camera as always is Jake the Snake, and this is Fast Lane Classic Cars, and this is a 1968 Chevrolet Camaro restomod. She's got a big 454 V8 in it with a sniper fuel injection, 5-speed Tremec. It's got a 12-bolt rear end with 373 rear gears, and it's got limited slip. Obviously the exterior is silver, black nose stripe. It's also got dark maroon, fully custom leather interior with matching trunk. Ooh, it's got power steering, air conditioner, 4-wheel disc brakes, drilled and slotted rotors, billet front drive accessories, headers, Flowmaster mufflers, Viking front end adjustable coilovers with tubular control arms, QA1 rear double adjustable coilovers with 4-link conversion. Wow, what a car, a big block on top of everything else. Let's take a look at that trunk we were told so much about.
Yeah, you got an upgraded head unit, you got air conditioning on this one, I think Dakota digital gauges,
Ooh,
which look very nice. You got the spoiler on the back, which I like. Chris doesn't like spoilers, but I think they look great.
Not a big fan of spoilers, but I do like when it's really nicely done.
Trunk is the same maroon, which is awesome. Leather and then maroon carpet. You got the floor mats back here as well. Very nice. Paint looks great even underneath. Opens and closes well. Yeah, door panels are custom like the interior. They're very comfortable seats, these buckets. And the back seats are done the exact same way. Let's see if I can flip this forward. Found it. Very nice back seats.
Very
Again,
nice.
Custom like the front. Doors close nicely. Oh, the big block, yes.
It's hard to miss.
This part's important. Black valve covers look fantastic. All black and chrome. You got your air conditioning like I was telling you guys about. Very nice. Yeah, big aluminum radiator to keep this thing cool. Power brakes.
Yes.
Power steering.
Headers.
Headers. It sounds amazing. Very choppy V8 454, and I'm excited to hear it. And this color combo is awesome on this car.
I like the silver. Here we go.
Ready? Oh, it sounds so good. Headlights, nice. Blinkerage. Brights, very good. Brake lights, nice. Reverse. And the other blinker, very good. Sorry, it's hard to give you directions on what lights to do when you can't hear me.
No, I couldn't hear a thing. But I started watching your hand signals.
Very nice. Oh, we have seatbelts.
How about this bad boy?
Very nice. And the lap belts match the interior. Oh yeah, let me roll up my window. It's chilly out today. Oh, they're tinted. I think they're tinted.
I believe they're tinted a wee bit.
I mean, not heavily tinted, but they look nice.
They do.
Yeah, cold weather for a big block, so it's going to have to warm up a little bit, but that's normal. Although it idled right away, because guess what? Sniper fuel injection.
Sniper.
We love sniper fuel injection around here.
We sure do see them a lot.
And we also like Tremec 5-speeds.
I do love it.
And we like big blocks. And this car has all three.
Who doesn't like a big block? And a nice little Camaro package.
Yes. The Sniper probably gets you a little bit better fuel economy than a carburetor would, but you're going to be passing everything but a gas station with this 454.
Yeah, she's not playing around. I'm waiting. Just one more.
Yeah, one more car and we should be able to go out. You can see the upgraded radio down here. Old school Sony head unit. But you got the FM AM.
Woohoo! 373s. Oh, I love a Tremec so much.
Isn't it nice?
It's just so easy.
And I have our AC controls up here set to heat.
Thank you for that, by the way.
And it is coming out the top here. Let me turn the fan on. A little higher. Very nice. Very nice.
Oh, wow.
I like our digital gauges too.
I do. Dakota Digital's amazing.
And our nice woodroom steering wheel. That tilts, by the way.
It does tilty.
Look at that. Luxury.
Oh.
And they even integrated nice modern cup holders into this custom console. And they're nice and big for American-sized cups. Although you're not going to be drinking big gulps in here, probably.
I would hope not.
Although if you go to Cars and Coffee, you got a place to set your drink and
True.
you know, that sort of stuff. You got your sniper down here that can help you monitor all your things and stuff, air-fuel ratio, RPM, although we do have a tach.
A wonderful tach.
And the gauges over there, along with temp, oil pressure, which is above 60 right now, which is great. And fuel, and I think
Plenty of fuel.
oil temp maybe, or something on the other
Yep,
side.
tip on the left side, oil on the right side, volts on the right, or on the second
Voltage,
one, fuel.
that's the other one.
High voltage, rock and roll.
But yeah, this nice horn. The dash is in great condition. Very nice.
Oh, it's real nice. It's nice
Visors
and
go
mounted.
through.
Oh, he hates strip visors.
The back seats are really nice as well. You got cranky windows.
They're not mad at you.
They're not mad, you just gotta crank them up and down. I also love the US mag wheels.
I do too.
The chrome mags on this car look amazing. Give it a nice, cool looking stance. A little bit lower than a stock Camaro, bigger wheels, wider tires. It looks mean. Ooh, you can hear the whine of the transmission a little bit. I love that sound.
Me too.
It's comfy.
It is comfy, actually.
These seats are really nice. They're not super aggressive buckets. I got plenty of room in it.
But there's bolstering on the sides.
They're plush. They're really soft.
That is the thing I'm not quite used to. These cars don't normally have interior this nice.
Yeah. Oh, it sounds good. Sounds healthy.
Oh, it's a healthy car. I like the choppiness.
Yeah, the choppiness of the cam is nice. I'm not sure the exact specs. We might have some of it listed on the window sticker, but of the engine, that is.
Well, we will have to look on the old big book of stuff.
And here we are at the bean test. There's a truck in front of us, so we're not going to have much of a bean test, but we'll get a little bit. We'll get past the bump on the road, too. Very nice. Second gear. Get past the bump.
Oh, that guy.
There's another truck, but... Oh. And we're already caught up to the truck. That was quick.
I wasn't even trying, really.
I could tell. That was not full beans.
We'll just slow down just a little bit and see how quickly we can catch up to this truck.
Oh, yeah. And we're there.
And we're here.
That's why you get a big block.
Wow. And when the big block wakes up, it's my most favorite thing.
Nice power
It's like
brakes.
waking up Godzilla.
Ooh, it handles good. Very nice. We're here. Are you
We are
ready
here.
for a flatback?
Most certainly. I'll take your microphone.
I want to know what it sounds like from outside.
It's going to be loud. There he goes. Ooh, boy. That's built for speed. There's no question. It's not whisper quiet, that's for sure. Makes some good noise. Oh, very nice. Well.
It's not a slow car.
And it's not a quiet car.
And I like the color combo.
It works.
Silver with the black nose stripe and this kind of maroonish purple interior. It looks really good. Plus you have the reliability of a sniper and a big block and a 5-speed and AC.
It's all working. It's all working.
Yeah, a nice bucket seat to sit in. I love everything about it.
Yeah, we should take it back.
Let's take it back.